Good morning, guys. Welcome. We are here in Syria now. We are going to...
Yes, stop.
We are going to a boat trip today. So Kaka, one is Tanzanian. So he pays only 10,000. Okay. Siya na bahala. Sino man yung kausap mo? Okay. Morning! Sabi na alas 7.
Filipino time. At least, hi Arif! Welcome back to the
Say hi! My Filipino friends in Tanzania!
How are you?
Good.
Ay. We'll have to pay first.
Okay, we are total
Tanzanian is how much?
Tanzania.
41.
This one you can't charge as a resident. You charge him 10,000. Yeah, this one is Tanzanian. And then there is a resident.
We are 10 residents.
10, all resident. You have permit.
Yes.
Okay. Dadang mo na bi dadang.
Magkano total?
20,000.
41.
Ay, hurry.
Sasa.
Okay.
Tanzanian first how much? So I can pay
And it's
for.
12K for the boat.
12K for
government.
Yeah.
For the boat is
There,
10.
in the island.
10. Listen, for the boat is 10. And for government is 12 for Tanzania.
41 sa akin.
12 for Tanzania, 30,000.
Oh, alam mo kasi pagdating sa island, mura sila. Wala sila masyadong bayad. Naka-signboard. Mura sila. Boat lang kasi 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 40. Tapos kay Walter.
Bawal lang.
Doon sa entrance.
Ano ba yan?
Told ya.
Nauna kami.
Told ya.
And then,
Doon sa gilid.
Ay, si Sarah ang
ayos lang.
Sabi ko sa kanya kanina, baka sa'yo. Bahala kayo.
12,000 kay Walter.
Magkano sa kanya?
12. At saka si Dada, 12 daw.
12 sila na, Tanzania. 12.
So, ilan tayong lahat?
Magkano yun?
41.
Magkasya daw tayo sa isang barko. Bangka.
Ferry.
Ferry.
Dark po, dark.
Azam pala yung ano.
Namiss ko
Azam.
si Ken.
Hello! Sana? Kamusta? How is Tanzania?
Sati. Magkano ba lahat? Kabisa. Sati. Hindi, half yung
Saan si Balot?
sa Pilipinas.
Nag-enjoy? Tagal niya.
Dapat ano lahat ba?
One month ba siya doon?
Oo, 1 month.
Pahids at least.
Ano na yan?
Kay bihira lang. Once a year.
Ilang kapatid mo sampo?
Ano? Twice. Once in 2 years. Once in 2 years.
Imagine.
Oo, dito sa